Forgotten username recovery failed on Pockit Fix. If your username recovery keeps failing on Pockit, it can be frustrating, but there's a clear reason why it happens, and the fix is simpler than you might think. Most people assume they've lost their username, but the truth is that Pockit doesn't use traditional usernames anymore. Instead, everything is tied to your email address or mobile number. When your recovery attempt fails, it's usually because you're using the wrong contact information. To fix this, open the Pockit app or visit their login page. Tap on Forgot Your Details and enter your registered email. You'll receive a secure link that lets you access your account instantly. Didn't get the email? Check your spam or junk folders. Automated messages can easily get filtered there. If you still don't see it, try another email address or phone number you might have used before. Searching your inbox for Pockit can also help you find older confirmation or transaction emails to verify the right account. If you've lost access to your registered email or phone, contact Pockit support. Provide them with identifying information, such as your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Pockit card. Once verified, they'll help you regain access to your account safely. The surprising truth is that Pockit's modern security system doesn't rely on usernames or passwords anymore. By using email-based login and verification links, it actually reduces the chance of hacking or forgotten credentials. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed on Pockit, don't worry, it's not broken. You just need to log in using your verified email or phone. Once you do, your account will be right there, waiting for you.